Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet. This is a fantastic way to keep your finances organized and get a clear visual of where your money is going each month. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the Smartsheet homepage where you can access all your sheets and workspaces. On the left side of the homepage, locate and click on the Create button. This will open a menu with several options for creating new items. From this menu, select Table. This is the foundation for your budget tracker and will give you the structure you need to organize your financial data effectively. Now it's time to give your tracker a name. Go ahead and name your table something like Monthly Budget Tracker. This helps you easily identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple sheets. Next, we'll set up the columns that will make this budget tracker functional. You'll want to add the following columns. First, create a category column and set it to text/number. Then add budget amount as text/number. Next, create actual amount, also as text/number. Add a variance column, again as text/number. Finally, include a date column and set its type to date. These columns will capture all the essential information you need to track your monthly spending against your budget. Now here's where the magic happens. In the variance column, you're going to type a formula that automatically calculates the difference between what you plan to spend and what you actually spent. Click on the first cell in the variance column and type equals sign open bracket budget amount close bracket at sign row minus open bracket actual amount close bracket at sign row. This formula will instantly show you whether you're over or under budget for each category. With your structure in place, start filling in your data. In the category column, input your budget categories. These might include things like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and so on. Be as detailed as you need to be to capture your spending accurately. Next, fill in the budgeted amount and actual amount for each category. Take your time here and make sure you're entering accurate numbers. The more precise your data, the more useful your tracker will be. To get a complete picture of your finances, you'll want to add totals at the bottom. In the bottom row of the budgeted column, type equals sign sum, then click on the first cell in that column. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell with data, then press Enter. This will give you the total of all your budgeted amounts. Repeat this same process for the actual amount and variance columns so you can see your overall financial picture at a glance. Finally, let's add some visual intelligence to your tracker using conditional formatting. This will automatically highlight any categories where you've overspent. Click on Conditional Formatting, then click Add New Rule. In the Set Conditions section, click it and select Variance. Then click Define Custom Criteria. Set the operator to is less than and input 1. Click this format to adjust how negative variance rows should appear. Maybe choose a red fill or bold text. Then select entire row under where the format will apply. This way, anytime you go over budget in a category, that entire row will stand out immediately. And that's it. You now have a fully functional monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet that automatically calculates variances and highlights problem areas. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.